Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your character level, any drop rate buffs, and the in-game time. Once done, travel directly to the highest probability spawn nodes, typically wind shrines and coastal ridges, because spawns cluster there. Make sure to equip items that increase luck by 10 to 25% and clear nearby mobs to prevent spawn blocking. You should not waste time searching random zones. Instead, stake out the listed nodes and position yourself upwind. Since Gale Stones favor aerial or high grounds, now you focus on the middle steps, trigger the spawn mechanics, and raise the drop odds. First, interact with environmental triggers, wind pillars or ring shrines, because those often force Gale Stone spawns. Then clear the elite mobs or minibosses that carry a 20 to 40% baseline chance. Prioritize single target burst to secure the drop. Once you have a drop, keep chaining kills within 2 minutes to stack the multiplier. This combination of triggers plus streaks maximizes your effective chance. Finish by securing the item and handling issues. Loot immediately, and when possible, move the corpse or the item into safe inventory to avoid despawn glitches. If you fail to get a Gale Stone, reset the node. Fast travel away and wait 5 to 10 minutes. Then repeat the trigger sequence. This clears instance timers. If problems persist, make sure instance caps or server desync aren't blocking drops. Verify by switching to a different nearby shrine, because often the problem is not RNG, but a spawn limit or synchronization issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.